Hey, this is John Brock. Check out Spot's new 3D viewer. This is actually a SketchUp model that of a house we're building, but you could use Revit, SoftPlan, even mix and match platforms. But this has all my SketchUp scenes came in, my tags, and so forth. I can see how many square feet of stucco I've got, how many square feet of stone I've got. I've not done a driveway or sidewalk in here, so let's check out Spot Studio. And I'm going to do an exterior rendering, and I'm just going to say to, let's say add a sidewalk and driveway and a lake in the background. And let's generate a rendering. So I didn't want to take the time to do that sidewalk and that driveway. And I didn't want to take the hours that I used to spend setting up lighting and doing all these fancy things in my rendering programs like Lumion, etc. So give it a couple more seconds here, and then you're going to see a rendering of this beautiful house on the lake. Let's take a look at it full screen. Wow, not too shabby. Looks like it. So pretty cool. All right, so let's pop inside. We'll close that for a second. All right, so I'm in my kitchen. Oh, I can see how many square feet of countertop I have there. How many, let's see, that's my white oak flooring. I got 1,600 square feet of that. There's my backsplash tile, and my little farmhouse sink over here. All right, so let's get in position here and say, man, I want to see a rendering of what this would look like. So let's get a nice little vantage point and pop into Studio and do a photo reel inside here and generate a rendering here. Not bad. I could even measure, like, what's the distance between these two cabinets here? 4 feet. Oh, I can add a spotlight, like, change this hood. Whatever. So check out the 2D mode or 3D dollhouse view. Check out these cabinets. I did not model these cabinets. My cabinet person was able to import them into the viewer. There you go. I can take a quick tour. I can check them out in here. I can actually walk around like sort of like a Matterport. There's a view on one of the cabinets. Get a quick rendering from here. Pretty cool. So this is going to be brand new to Spot. This is going to be a really, really cool feature. You can host your 2D drawings. Now you'll be able to host your 3D models, and you'll have everything in one spot. Single point of truth. Thanks.